Happy Wednesday. 4th of July weekend is kicking off, really starting today. Traders are walking away. Let's make it a week off. I think we're going to see. You're heading out. I'm playing as much golf as possible during this weekend.
Good. Good for you. Good for you. I think you should enjoy your weekend. Everyone should try to enjoy their weekend. Forget about, if you're having trading problems, forget about it. I think the past couple of days haven't meant a lot. So it's very evident.
Is that a Jay-Z song? If you're having trading problems, I feel bad for you, son.
Hey, there you go. See? You might make some moolah off that. Yeah, there's no volume here. It was fun scalping it this morning and stuff. I've been doing yard work today.
Yeah, it's a market for sure. So,
I mean, again, I still think we're going lower. I still think we're at abnormally high crude prices. You think otherwise? We respect each other, and we agree to disagree on that. So
here's where we are on the price. Oil is just bouncing right here to the breakdown, which was 95.50. So 89 to 95.50. So we're scratching that underbelly, and that could be up to 98 or so. 95 to 98. I'd love to see 98 and put some bigger size on, but I think you got to sell. I think you got to sell crude on the 4-hour chart here, 95 to 98. Simple as that. It's right back to starting to sell. Just here, 90. Again, I'm talking swing charts, not a day chart, intraday chart. SPOOs again, big charts for me. Carl, you probably see the same thing. The 50% is right here at 1308. And the 61,
I got 09 as a level and 13-ish, which I'm not a good guy.
1325 above. So here's the thing. Until we close over 1330, you can't be bullish. You got to be bearish on a wider, I'm talking a 60-day, 3-month chart. That's all I'm looking at here right now. 1 quarter.
Yeah, and I don't call it, I guess because of the premise behind this whole rally, I guess you could call me a bear because I just can't get behind any of this. Right. But certainly you need to recognize when it's going to go up, when the long side looks good and the short side. And so that's just how I refer to it. But I am bearish throughout this whole cycle. But if you know what you're doing, you can still make moolah playing bearishly. So, right. And there are good long trades from a bear perspective too that are very predictable.
And again, I've been talking about the last couple of days. I've been back spreading a lot, which basically means selling the front month on individual stocks and buying the strike above. So right now with these bounces, all these Chinese stocks, they were way oversold. They're all bouncing, but they're nothing but a short squeeze. And the people that got in, the people that got in on the breakdowns are getting squeezed out. That's why they go a little bit higher. And this is the spot where you really want to sell a little bit more when they get a little, when they're bouncing right to that underbelly. So it's classic trend trading here, and don't get caught up with trying to, in a bear market you have to sell the rallies. And don't try to catch a knife here. So you've had now, 55 points of rally.
That's a big move. That's a big move in a couple of days on no volume. Well,
it's holiday algo trading.
It's finest. Yeah. So. Yes. Now.
The key thing here is still for me, Carl, is the dollar. The dollar sitting here holding at 75, making another higher low. And this is again looking at everybody pull out their 4-hour chart. We had a low there in late April, early May of 72.86. We had another low here in June at around 73.60. And now we're not even getting below 74.80. So these are the levels. We've got many layers level lower on the dollar. For me to get bullish in equities, you've got to take out a new low. So I continue to say you have to be bearish equities with the dollar hanging at higher lows every time also. So this sell-off in the dollar from 76.50 down here to 75 is what is driving this all asset rally along with everything that's going on in Greece. So with
the exception of crude because we had the big surprise, the big draw in envies. Now I will say this, that you want to see the dollar giddy up, right?
You do.
As if you're a good American, I think you want to see a strong dollar.
Yep.
But there's so many things that are negatively impacting the dollar that I don't know. It's like the fall of '09. You remember those moves in the dollar when people would get scared and you would see the dollar get wood. That's why I'm saying I'm not that impressed with the dollar. Okay, so, but it's up, right? It is up, and I will agree with you on that. So
I'm just talking again. I'm just talking a 3 month. Three month chart is bullish right now, and if that's the shortest long term time frame that I'll look at first. And again,
if you can see a dollar go up and equities that go up, that's bullish. That is bullish.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
You want the truth. You can't handle the truth.
That's my phone. Sorry.
Jack Nicholson, a la the Obama administration. Yes, we can.
Yeah. Yeah, and how about this guy out? But I don't want to talk politics, but I can.
I don't know. So, again, for me, you got to watch the dollar 76.50 off to the races on the dollar on the upside. Now we're just in this range.
I can agree. Yep.
And, you got to hold the 73s. That's really the last low you got to hold. So we're straight right in the middle of this whole area, right smack in the middle. If you draw a fib line from 73.75 to 76.50, you're right smack in the middle of the range here at 75. So it's hard to get too excited. We're right smack in the middle. We've just sold off hard on the dollar, and that's what's preceded the rally in all assets here. Wheat continues to trade fantastically. Long side yesterday, short side today. The thing moves. It is a great trading vehicle. Traders trade what trends, and it just moves nicely. So I don't know. That's about all I see, Carl. You're going to be traveling safely, I hope, over the next few days. And
yeah, I'll be in touch with you. I'll be able to hook up with you, so no worries there. But, we'll get back together, same place. Not tomorrow, just because I have a busy travel day, but we'll get back together in the coming days here. Okay,
all right.
pal?
All right.
All right.
Peace.
Have a